Is this the first restoration where it's kind of going out the building rather than like staying in?
Yes.
So this is kind of new territory a little bit, this packing up and kind of shipping it
Well,
out.
especially that far across the ocean and so forth, that's a long trip.
Do you feel it's are you getting a little bit nervous about the trip? You know, like all the hard work and stuff, and then you got to hand over your baby
something
to.
Could be mishandled, or a forklift fork could poke through a crate. You know, that sort of thing happens at ports.
Is that keeping you up at night, or are you just
No,
gonna?
I sleep like a baby. Troy said, "What if it gets damaged on the way there? You know, by hail or whatever." So we'll just turn around and bring it back, and we'll restore it again.
Yeah, done it once before.
Right. Right. So can't worry about all those things.
Yeah. How many hours of your life is in this box?
My life personally in this box, the tail wheel fairing, that was a lot. That was months because I had to draw it. I had to draw it from plans,
I don't know.
and they were incomplete, so I had to finish the plans with
Because I
my
thought there
drafting
was
tools
another
and stuff, and
Great.
then go cut out cardboard mock-ups to make sure it works. Then cut out the
That's
metal
what I
and
thought.
rivet it together, and then I screwed it up a little bit and had to re-rivet
That
it
lid's
together.
all screwed down, right?
So that, I wouldn't know how many hours, but it was a couple months of work.
Wayne, how many hours of your life is in this box?
Well, between the boxes, I've got 5,700 hours.
Now they're all
5 years.
yeah, all wrapped up in blankets now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're gonna make me cry again.
No, I'm not gonna do anything.